What's good, guys? We're here at the Rose Bowl in Pasadena. I want to bring some dope content that I have not seen anyone do on YouTube yet. And basically, I want to go to the flea market. I'm going to start doing this pretty much every month. Shout out to the camera man behind Jesse. But yeah, he's here with me, and we're basically going to go inside. We're going to just scope out the fire outfits that people got on, like the crazy outfits, the simple outfits, the expensive outfits, and then just a chance for them to flex, just see what they got on, and it's just about all the vintage vibes. So it's the Rose Bowl, Pasadena. Let's go, baby.
So man, early 2000s Alien shirt, Reebok pumps, cross colors, ranch court. Yeah, oh, that's just a little Columbia, just to keep warm. It's cold out here. 2HP_510. What's up, y'all? I'm Pat. Real talk, probably the whole upper was like 40 bucks. I got this off my boy Sean, 10 bucks. Pants, probably 5 bucks, but gotta have the Dior's though.
Those are clean.
Yeah,
Can you turn to the side?
Yeah, I spent about 11 on these ones. Yeah. Hell yeah.
You want to check your IG up?
My IG is at Uncle Patty with an I.
Okay.
Check me out.
Got the Dodger Shark 2, got it for 100. Got the Supreme, got it for 40. Got the Bape, I got it for $5. I got my homies clothing brand Loved Ones. Shout out to them. Just got regular Levi's. Got my Travis Scott retail. Thanks to my girl. Yeah.
Okay.
How you doing, man? I'm Joe. IG's Monrovia Barber. I got the Nike Air Costin collab, Nike SBs. Got the vintage Grateful Dead t-shirt. Just a vintage 90s bootleg Nike Letterman jacket.
That bag's dope.
In the bag, just some bootleg 90s vintage Louis Vuitton. Just found it at the flea market.
That's dope.
Thank you.
What's up, man? It's Rewind, IE. I got a OJ rap tee, some Louis pants, and some shatters on. But yeah, come through Rose Bowl and check out the boys' merch right here. You know,
little play off the hat that he has on right now.
but yeah, cop one though, for real, for sure. So I'm Lolo Vintage. My real name is Marlo. Everything here we got for a pretty good price. Thrifted this. It's just a Nike center check, made in USA. Got the crazy single stitch tie-dye bud shirt. Thrifted this myself. I found these here actually. There's some old 60s army pants, crazy distressing. And these I freaking got for retail from the Union event, which was nuts. That was a cool little thing to experience too. Homie actually posted this, and I got hooked up with it. He just blessed it to me for a great price. I got lucky with it. Crazy colorway.
That's dope. Thank you, man.
What's up, guys? I'm Shanna. I'm at Shanalyn, SHANALYNE. I got on this Dennis Rodman tee from 96 with these cargo pants and my bread toes.
Yeah, it's just clean. Thank you.
Thank you.
Alright, so this is a Yeezy XXX Tentacion collab hoodie, I guess. It was like 180, I guess. These custom jeans we made. I made them basically. Backhouse denim. And Yeezys. The 700 V2s.
You want to shout out your Instagram?
My Instagram, yeah, Backhouse denim. All of that, Backhouse denim.
And you said you made those jeans?
Yeah, we made these custom jeans.
Those are clean.
Hell yeah.
Hi, I'm Ashley Chung. I got this jacket like right over there 5 minutes ago.
The check is clean.
It's sick, huh?
Yeah.
And then these are men's pants that I got tailored. Dirty Nikes.
Dope.
Men's wife beater.
That jacket's clean. Can you turn around one more time? That back. That's clean. Alright.
Alright, my name's Johnny. I got a Playboy varsity jacket, Nirvana tee. It's a little earlier, 2000. And then crimson tint 1's.
You have an IG?
Yeah.
Go ahead and shout yourself out.
Cheese vintage and stuff.
Yeah. For sure.
Sweet.
My name's Owen. I got the Center Backboard Lows retail. And just a Padres button up, $30. And then her dad thrifted the vape hat for like $5.
That's dope. So, thank you.
Hi, I'm Kayla. I got the Death Row shirt for $20. Pinwheel Nike for $10.
Never mind.
And I got the Royals for $100.
So, thank you guys.
How's it going, man? My name's Tony. Yeah, just, I copped this outfit straight from the thrift. Bought my shoes for like $5. Bought these actually off a homie, I call him Uncle. He's kind of old. Got these for like $30. Got this for like $5, and then I got this for like free, honestly. And then this bag, honestly, I found it for like $2. So it's like
thank you, man.
Like $100 fit.
What's good, y'all? My name's Morris. I'm out here from Miami. I got my own vintage shop in Miami. This is Universal Studios Halloween Horror Nights tee from '97. It's one of my favorites because it's the year I was born, and it's from Florida. Got these new Supreme pants. I just picked these up in the store the other day. Corduroy skate pants, mad comfy. And I got the Halloween Air Max 95s. These came out in 2014. I got the eyeballs on the tongue. Matches with the eyeball on the shirt, you dig? And I got this Places and Faces backpack. Popped this off their website.
That's
pretty
dope.
cool. And they got the Nike Supreme earring. You know what's up, what's good, man. Yeah.
For
So,
sure.
and that's it, man, yeah.
Man, my name's Oscar. She got a Paxson shirt on, probably about 30. Adidas track pants, probably about 50. And wave runners, same with my son over there, probably about 300, 350. Yeah, man, that's it. Just a regular premium bag.
That's it.
How you guys doing? My name's Reggie. I'm just here at the flea market, wearing a bit of my friend's brand and I, quarterfinal. Jordan 1's, quarterfinal hat as well if you want to get the quarterfinal hat. And then shades I just got for like $5.
That's dope. Thank you, man.
What's up, bro? I'm Gavin, man. Honestly, bro, I just put on whatever, bro. It's Stussy 08. It's like regular dunks, not SBs, regular. Capital. Yeah, man.
What's good? I'm Artem. I go by World Vintage, World VTG. And I'm wearing like an old early 2000s Dickies hat. Vintage 90s chrome hearts. Some old Dickies pants and some Chucks.
Skate the Great. This is Fragment from Ginza. Got it from Japan. It's also the bag too. It's Fragment 1's. It was high at the time. That was probably like 600. At the time. At the time it was high, but now it's like, all right, that's pretty cheap now.
Yeah.
My name B. This jacket, an old double RL jacket from like 2003. So I guess it's like damn near older than you. This shirt, old Bruce Lee, cast it on Garden. These pants I made for Intersect in Shanghai, in Asia. These are Sakai. I know like everybody only wears the shoes, but you should buy the clothes. They're really good. And then these visuals are like from 04, I think. I forget. And then my glasses are from my best friend Touch, my brother. And my bag came from Skolon. That's the dude that made the vape. Y'all know about him. But yeah, y'all good money. I don't even like cameras.
Yo, it's Davin. I got on this got a death metal shirt on. Just got this yesterday, actually. Rocking the vintage Nike hat. Some vintage Army cargos. And the YSL breads. You know. Something light.
So, thank you, man.
Yeah, no
Appreciate
doubt.
What's up, Gio? Penny T, my homie. These, I got them like a random thrift in Claremont for like 20. And then some Cortezes for like 70 bucks or something. And then the pullover, I got it here like a couple of years ago or something. Some nervous. And then the shades, same vintage store.
My name is Ariel. I'm wearing a vintage Snoop Dogg shirt, vintage Levi's, the Crocs, and some Celine glasses. So I got on.
Yo, what up, y'all? It's RS Vintage, rs.vintage_OC on IG. Right here, I'm just me and my brother. Tell them what you got.
Ray, a little Nike hoodie. Got some Star Island pants with the Shadow 1's and the camo hat on top.
And then with me, I had to rock the Sports Specialties. Then I got the 94 Snoop St. Ides with the OG Nike. Then you got to go with the off-white ones.
What's going on? My name is A-Dub, straight from the Bay. A little bit of Yeezy on today. Repping the Sunday service on a Sunday. Calabasas sweats. Got the 700s V2s, Geo colorway on. Doing a little bit of something for something, man. Follow me, A-Dub, AYEEDUB__.
At Homer Fades on Instagram. I got Balenciaga denim. I got the Balenciaga kicks, of course. I got the DMX extremely rare jump. You know what I'm saying? Got all the chrome hearts all day. For sure.
Alright, my name is Linda. I'm wearing some Fear God Converse, some YSL jeans, and a 9-inch nails.
Yo, what's good, guys? So we just got done at the Pasadena Rose Bowl. I hope you guys enjoyed all the fire outfits that me and the homie got to see. It was cool to meet some new people, cool to see all the familiar faces. I copped a whole bunch of t-shirts. It's mainly all Harley Davidson because everyone's just been wanting like the beat Harley Davidson tees. So these are gonna be in the shop. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And you already know slogan, so let's wrap it up to the coziest in the game. Amen. Fashion, what is?